Hello guys, this is Dani Juncadella from the number 37 Craft Bamboo car, and we're gonna go on board a lap with me at Sepang. This is a very special track. Last round of the GT World Challenge Asia, we get to turn 1 after a long straight, braking around 100 meters from 5th down to 2nd gear. It's a very tight long corner, so you gotta wait and second apex that last part into another tight hairpin. Make sure you get a really good exit because there's a pretty long straight coming up. Going around turn 3, which is an easy flat out section, and then we're gonna get to another slowish corner, 90-degree second gear corner. Make sure you hit that inside apex. Watch out for track limits on exit. Just keep your wheels on track onto the white line. Then you go into a fast left, right, catching a bit of oversteer there. A little bit of movement in the car, and it's a very fast 4th gear corner. After that, we go into a double right pretty fast from 4th down to 3rd gear. Make sure you carry a lot of speed because you gotta maintain that speed through the corner. And then you're arriving into another slow hairpin 2nd gear from 4th gear, braking at the 100-meter board as well. Very tight hairpin, turn 8, going up into the last section of the track. Very difficult, flowy corners. That's turn 11. Tight 2nd gear corner, 3rd gear corner, going into a very fast chicane, pretty much flat, just catching a car here, so just confused of what to do right now in this part of the track. But then it doesn't really leave me the inside part of the track, but I'm just finding a solution to go around it and going into the last bit of the track. That's a very fast section, high speed, long straight into the 3rd sector, coming into the last corner, turn 15. That's a very high braking point into 2nd gear. Quite understeery in the apex, but gotta catch that understeer and have a good exit to maximize the speed going into the finish line. And that's a full lap of the Sepang circuit for you guys.